This is the third of 4 tutorials detailing how commissions are set up in Letting Agent Manager. In the second tutorial, we showed you how the default commissions were copied down from the agent and could be overridden for a landlord. In this tutorial, we will show how landlord commissions affect their properties and also how the fees can be modified at property level. On this screen, we can see the commission fees that have been set up for this landlord. These commissions, by default, will be available for every property that the agent manages on behalf of this landlord. Let's take a look at a property that we have just created and assigned to a landlord. Once a property has been assigned to a landlord, the commission fees for that landlord are copied to the property. Now let's say that as part of negotiations, the landlord doesn't want this particular property to be fully managed by the letting agent. Instead, the landlord just wants to have a let-only fee that is 100% of the first month's rent. So to implement this commission agreement for this individual property, we first change the fully managed fee to 0% so that it is no longer calculated for this property. Then we change the let-only fee to be 100%. By making these changes, we have been able to apply a different commission structure for this property only. All the other properties for this landlord will continue to have the commission fee structure that was created at landlord level. In the next tutorial, we will show how these commissions are automatically calculated.